Hello, my name's Tom, and welcome to Tom Talks Tech. I'm Tom, let's talk. You know, in the field of electronic engineering, there's a concept called a signal-to-noise ratio. It's very important in the field of electronic engineering because they want to put out a strong signal of meaning, but minimize the noise of distraction and static and blather. We're in the middle of a major signal-to-noise ratio in our society right now. We've got the signal of decency, integrity, truth-telling, but it's getting wrapped up in all the noise and the blather of commercialism and outright hate, salaciousness, violence. So it's important in our own lives that we discover a signal-to-noise ratio in our own actions and thoughts and words and deeds. The internet in the beginning was thought to be the best expression ever of something, a concept that came up early in the 20th century called a noosphere. The noosphere was meant to acknowledge that there is, in addition to a hydrosphere and an atmosphere and a geosphere, there's a sphere of human mind, the sphere of human spirit. And that was called the noosphere from a Greek word meaning mind or spirit. Well, the internet started out that way, but over time it became salacious, violent, deceptive, and all kinds of other negative things. But we've overlooked that there's also a signal in the noosphere. You could call it the inner net, I-N-N-E-R. It's a rediscovery of all the ancient technologies that were meant to leverage our spirit, not just our wants and needs. And it includes things like prayer, meditation, qigong, yoga. So when you're exploring and working and studying on the internet, it's also worthwhile to slow down and discover the internet. Lots of good stuff on the internet, but it also is something you have to explore within yourself. It's as much a part of you as any other part. Some call it the spirit, some call it the Newman, some call it any other kind of names, but basically it's just listening to what's coming from inside you. Well, that's it for today. Think about the signal-to-noise ratio, the internet versus internet in your own life. Come back again and we'll discuss other ways that tech can help us grow fully and not just to be a data processing point in somebody else's net worth. Whenever you pick up a tool of any kind, try to do it with a composed frame of mind. And try to intend that the leveraged action from that is an act of kindness. Be kind, be calm. Thank you. Till next time.